Hi, welcome to Klaviyo. In this video, I will show you how to create an automated email campaign. So first, click on Campaign. Then click on Create Campaign on the top right here and choose Email. First, name your campaign. Next, select a predefined list or segment to send this message. For example, I will choose my 30-day Engage segment. You can enable or disable Smart Sending, which, when enabled, will skip profiles. You can also enable or disable Google Analytics tracking for this campaign. Then click on Continue to Content. Now, here is your subject line. Next, select how you would like to create your campaign content. You can choose text only, HTML, or a drag and drop editor. I chose the drag and drop editor. Choose any template. You can edit the template to meet your needs. You can customize the headline link bar, swap out an image, click on a text box to edit the text, add links to buttons, and much more. Once you are done, click on Save and Exit. Then click on Continue to Review at the bottom here. Double-check that all the details of your campaign are correct. Then click on Schedule or Send. You can choose to send it at a later date and time, or send it immediately. I am going to choose Send now. Congratulations! You successfully created an automated campaign. If you want to use Klaviyo for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.